Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to schedule activity for multiple users into share order and CRM. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Dev Activity Multi-User. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM app, go to any leads and create activity. Summary is to do, due date, assign to admin and display here this option multi-users. I want to assign admin, Joel and demo. Let's save and see here this only one activity assigned to multiple users, Joel, demo and admin. Now go to cell order and create activity. Select users. Let's save and also display in cell order assigned to multiple users. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.